All right, Mr. McCormick, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record. J. McCormick Johnson, who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3084 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4,200 grams on April 4th, 2024 for a term of 10 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 1 on or about the 27th day of September 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Timothy J. McCormick Johnson, committed the offense of evading arrest or detention with a previous conviction in violation of condition number 1.
And right out the gate we've got another defendant trying to talk his way out of trouble. Spoiler alert, smooth talk doesn't work so well in Judge Boyd's courtroom.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True, ma'am.
Your Honor, will waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objection?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 10 years in prison and up to a $2,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the moment most defendants start sweating bullets. 10 years on the table and he still pleads true, either he's confident or cooked.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to deny the motion to revoke, continue him on his probation with alternate amendment conditions to include state ISF, also monthly UAs, ISP program, and sober support meetings, and the state will take into consideration. Clause number 2024 PF 173159.
All right, is that the proposed agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Probation, what is your recommendation?
That is the recommendation.
All right, Mr. McCormick, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Timothy J. McCormick Johnson.
Why are you not being successful on probation?
I told him when I signed probation in April, I was still on parole. So the day I signed, I went to my hearing for parole and they revoked me and sent me back to TC. So I haven't had a chance to even talk to anybody from probation. I just got a TC in July.
Oh, okay. Well, that explains things. All right. The court can do one or two things. I can deny the motion, follow everybody's recommendation, or I sentence you to 2 years in the prison. Which would you prefer?
I'll take the recommendation.
All right, the court will deny the motion, alternate amendment conditions.
This happens a lot, people juggling parole and probation at the same time, but just to clarify, parole is early release from prison, probation is avoiding prison altogether. Mixing the 2 year never ends well.
To include state ISF, ISP, 90 sober meetings in 90 days, and taking consideration 2024 PF 173159. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right. Anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from defense, Judge.
All right, probation, is there anything else he needs? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Timothy J. McCormick Johnson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3084 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4,200 grams on April 4th, 2024 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 1 on or about the 9th day of July 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Timothy J. McCormick Johnson, committed the offense of evading arrest or detention with previous conviction in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Be true.
You may be under.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
and up to a $2,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is there a proposed agreement?
Okay. The motion removed the defendant's community supervision and reform his judgment and civil sentencing 7 years ago.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to consider continuing Mr. Johnson in this case. This is his first MTR. I know it's his second. The first one that he was allegedly breaking was, I believe the court heard this argument before. He was in TDC. He was sent to TDC when he was supposed to be reporting to probation, so he could not report. So in effect, it's his first MTR. He was put on ISF. He placed him on ISF, and
But no, he had if I'm wrong, I'm trying to figure out, because he had a previous motion to revoke on December 4th, 2024, and it was for a violation of condition number 1. I don't recall what that condition number 1 was, but the court denied the motion, altered and amended his conditions to include state ISF.
that's correct.
So this is his second motion to revoke.
And my first the first time they tried to give me the violation.
Oh, you want to raise your right hand if you wish to
Yes,
speak?
ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Timothy Johnson, J. McCormick Johnson.
All right. Yes, what would you like to say?
So the day that I signed on probation, it was I brought it to the attention that I was on parole too, and the day that I signed on probation.
So wait, he already admitted to evading arrest once but now says he doesn't remember. That's like telling the judge, "Oops, I forgot my last getaway attempt." Not the strongest defense strategy, champ.
I got violated and revoked from probation, so I got sent back to TDC. So therefore, I wasn't able to report for probation.
No, here's the thing. I'm not even focusing on the failure to report
Mhm.
because the state has waived that. But it's been brought to the court's attention. His previous motion to revoke from December, that was a violation of condition number 1, is for evading arrest. And so now we're back here.
Oh, that's from my first.
And on that one, when you pled true to that, what the court did was the court denied the motion to revoke, and the court altered and amended your conditions. And now you're back here for another evading.
I didn't even know I had the first evading arrest.
You pled true to it.
I did.
And that was in October.
Yeah, I don't remember that, Judge. So I apologize. I really don't.
No. And that happened, that evading was alleged, well, I shouldn't say alleged anymore because you pled true to it, but that was committed on or about September 27, 2024. So you had that evading case. And then now we're back here for another evading case.
Yeah, the first time I remember this one, I remember, and it was a bad judgment call of mine. The even officer said that I should have just stopped. I would probably got a ticket, but I assumed that a warrant because I missed a house visit. You know what I'm saying? I missed a house visit probably because of work on that. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous right now. I may not say the right things, and I ain't, like I told him, I need his help. I'm asking you for your help. You know what I'm saying?
Here's the thing. I don't know if probation is appropriate for you, and let me just tell you why. Because it appears that you have learned nothing. And let me tell you the reason why I say that. Because you were previously here before for a violation of condition 1, which was evading the police, right? And then you were continued. And now you're not even thinking, you're still evading the police.
No, I not thought I was evading the police. Actually, I am thinking I got a job, I got bills out there in my name. I'm doing good. I got a good probation officer. I just haven't had time to really work with him, man. You know what I'm saying?
Now, the problem is you picked up a new offense, and this is the second time.
I did. And the first time I don't remember, so that I apologize.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there ain't no excuse. That's why I admitted to. There ain't no excuse. I made a bad decision. I'm on, I went to ISF because I'm on my meds. I got meds I was on, my meds of the world. But I'm doing good. Like I'm sober. Like I ain't got no drug problems, and I'm doing good, Judge. I got a job. I got electricity and water bill in my name. I got a new residence I'm staying at. I'm not at Haven Hope for Hope no more. I'm actually doing good and got.
You can feel him pleading for a lifeline here. Job, bills, meds, new relationship. It's the classic courtroom tug of war. Genuine progress versus a paper trail of bad choices. Which side wins? Let's see.
Good things going for myself. I just made a bad judgment call on that day. I was probably high that day. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm sitting there, I asked the judge for help, and you offered me 2 years last time, or to go with an agreement on staying probation. 2 years would have been a blessing to anyone to take. But I chose the probation because it's entitled to myself, and I believe I could do it.
But see, here's the thing. You chose the probation, but you're still doing the same thing. That's a
I'm not doing
problem.
the same thing. I just made a bad call and made a bad decision on the same day. And I'm not trying to debate with you, because y'all understand like stuff that I know, and I can only learn from y'all and others that are in a better position lying out there in the world. You know what I'm saying? I got a good support system out there. I got my cousin, my boss. I'm in a new relationship. I got things I can lose now. And not just that, my own life is in your hands. You know what I'm saying? And I understand that. I know I made it. No, I made it. No, I made a mistake.
Just 1 second.
No.
All right. So any questions, defense or state?
No, Your Honor.
Well, here's the thing. We don't shout in court, right?
Right.
You got to be respectful to your attorney and respectful to each other. All right. So, states, you're recommending revocation?
Yes, sir. Based on the be true and what's reflected in the court's finding.
All right. Any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So with regards to the court summary, the probation is recommending ISF, but the court has previously given you ISF. So I'm going to grant the motion. I'm finding violation of condition number 1 true, and the court will revoke. State, what are you asking for time?
And we're asking to reform the judgment and we're
Defense?
But we'd ask you to consider 4 years, Judge. This is, Mr. Johnson is very sorry for breaking the conditions again. We'd ask you to consider 4 years.
May I say something?
Yes.
I understand I just left ISF. I wouldn't have no problem going to there or any other program, because it's only going to help me better myself, man. You know what I'm saying? There's not a lot of programs. It's an easy way out for me to go to, if I get in time. And then it's not just that, like probably, like I said, I lose my job, my bills. It affects my cousin, because the bills are in his residence. They're in my name, so, and I'm taking care of them. So I wouldn't have no problem going to another program, DDRS, SATF, or ISF, again, because I know that they got cognitive and also got a substance abuse side. And I went to the substance abuse side the first time. I didn't go to the cognitive side the second time, so I don't know if that would still be a possibility for me.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to give you credit for any time served and inpatient treatment that was successfully completed.
And there it is, 6 years. Judge Boyd's patience finally ran out. The moral probation isn't a free pass, it's your last warning. Blow it twice and the system will collect the bill.
And credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with the following persons. There's to be no residing in households with minors, and the court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison.